It baffles me that we don't learn this. We want a relationship to make us feel in a way that we don't feel about ourselves. We want other people to make us a priority. Do you make yourself a priority, or do you put other people's needs first all the time? We want to feel valued and appreciated. When was the last time you complimented yourself? We want our partner to only have eyes for us. What do you tell yourself when you look in the mirror? Do you look at all the things that you like about yourself, or do you focus on that thing that you hate and want to change? As if we were only one part of our body, like a nose, or a butt, or a belly. I'm a walking belly. Here's the thing, love, and I wish I'd learned this years ago. We don't attract what we want, we attract what we are. It's totally counterintuitive, but if you want to attract the love of your life, it starts by being the love of your life. The outside reflects the inside. Unfortunately, it is not so easy. The first thing I ask my private clients when we start working together is to give me a list of things that they like about themselves. This is what I get. I'm a good cook, I'm a good friend, I'm a good person. We learn to define ourselves by what we can do for others. An empath trait. If you're not sure you're an empath, go take the quiz. The link is in my bio. So when people say love yourself, okay, I want to do it, but where the heck do I start? We didn't learn how to. Fortunately, you've landed in my world, in my TikTok world, and that is what I teach all day, every day. And babe, when you begin to do it, it won't just be that one person you want to attract that will fall in love with you. It will be the whole wide world.